Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to create dynamic block. So for example, you can draw a rectangle and you can convert into block. I will using the block command. For the names example and for the base point, click in this point. Entities you can select object and don't forget to click on convert to block and click OK. Now, if you want to change this objects block into the dynamic block, like I will add a stretch into this block, you can double click to be moved into the block editor. Now you can set for the stretch points, can click here and then use the linear stretch. So I will stretch in this horizontal line. You can add for the activity in here, choose the stretch and then select the elements. The next you can select for the stretch objects. I will click from this point to here and select the rectangle object. Press enter to apply and you can click close, click save. Now if you select the object, it will be show for the stretch dynamic. You can click in arrow and then you can move to drag to stretch the object. You also can stretch to the vertically. You can double click again to go into the block editor, add for the linear stretch, and then add for the activity for stretch in this element set. For area, click at this point, and then for the object, you can select the rectangle object. Click enter to apply, and you can close. Save, and it will be stretched in vertical, or you can stretch in horizontal. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander, how to create dynamic block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.